Trying to keep the dice rolling in Monopoly Go, but running out too fast? Let me show you a quick and legit method to grab free dice rolls right now. It's easy to follow, and it works smoothly. So, let's get into it. Starting with my Monopoly Go account, you'll notice the dice count is nearly empty. To change that, open your browser on your mobile and head to the site shown in this video. Once you're there, enter your details. Then click on Generate and let the tool run its process. You might be asked to verify you're human. Nothing complicated. Just download and play a game like Travel Town until level 9. That's it. After that, head back to Monopoly Go and you'll see your free dice rolls waiting in your account. No hacks, no risky apps, just a clean method that works on both Android and iOS. Thanks for watching.